Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Toyota Highlander steering wheel. First, understand that the steering wheel locks as a security feature when the key is removed. To begin, insert your correct key fully into the ignition cylinder. Now, gently turn the steering wheel left and right, applying slight pressure, while simultaneously turning the key to the on position. This action should release the locking mechanism, allowing you to start your vehicle. If the wheel remains locked, avoid forcing the key or the steering wheel, as this can cause significant damage to the ignition or steering column. Always ensure your Toyota Highlander is in park or neutral for manual transmissions before attempting to unlock the wheel. Sometimes, a worn or damaged key can be the culprit. Try using a spare key if you have one available. This simple swap often resolves the issue. For stubborn locks, apply consistent, slight pressure to the key in the ignition while wiggling the steering wheel more vigorously. Remember, the steering wheel lock is a mechanical safety device designed to prevent theft. To help prevent this issue in the future, try to ensure your steering wheel is as straight as possible when you park and remove the key. This reduces the tension on the locking pin. If after trying these steps, your Toyota Highlander steering wheel remains locked, it might indicate a more serious issue, such as a faulty ignition cylinder or a problem with the steering column itself. In such cases, it's best to seek assistance from a professional mechanic. They have the specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and repair complex mechanical problems safely. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.